Good morning everyone. I am Shubhangi from Shubhangi Science Tutorial. Today we are going to start a third chapter from class 9, Current Electricity. So what do you mean by current? Current means a flow of charged particles or flow of electrons, and we can measure a current in unit of ampere. Now potential difference. The definition of potential difference is the difference between higher potential to lower potential. It is called potential difference. The unit for potential difference is volt. Here one diagram is given for you, level of water and direction of flow. Here higher potential water is there and this bottle contains lower potential. The flow of water from this bottle to this, it is called potential difference. It means where the concentration of water is more is going to the lower concentration water bottle. Here high electric potential and low electric potential. Two stands are given which one having positive charge, another having negative charge. Here also wire gives a potential difference between higher potential positive stand to negative stand. Then after potential difference of wire, here we can measure the potential difference of current by using this formula, work upon total charge transfer. V is equal to W upon Q, where W means work and Q means charge. According to this formula, we can measure the potential difference between 2 points. And if you have to deduce the unit of potential difference, we can use this formula, 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. We get a SI system, that is volt. Potential difference unit काय volt. त्याच्यानंतर flow of electrons. This name of scientist Volta, which discovered the electric cell firstly. By this, the potential difference unit goes to volt on the honor of this Volta scientist. Then after definition of electric current, and electric current is nothing but flow of electrons. Electrons get flow from source to the conductor or any particular device. In the particular manner, the one electron get bombarded on other, then the energy, kinetic energy going to another electron. In this way, energy flow or electric current flow in a wire. Current, it is denoted by symbol I. Q upon T, it is their formula. Q means charge, charge upon time is current, and unit for current is a ampere. Then after resistance and Ohm's law. So Ohm is one of the scientists who gives the Ohm's law to relationship between current and potential difference. So firstly, he says that the current flowing through a wire and the potential difference across the end can be obtained from law was given by the German scientist Gregor Simon Ohm. If a physical state of conductor are constant, the current flowing through conductor is directly proportional to potential difference. It means जर आपण कोणत्याही कंडक्टर मधून करंट फ्लो केला तर तो करंट किती असेल, करंट I is directly proportional to potential difference. हा एक करंटचा सिंबल आहे. करंट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. हा काय आहे, ओहम्स लॉ. वी कॅन राइट दिस. If we want to remove this proportionality symbol and here we put a is equal to sign, then we have taken a constant. Some constant value is there. Here k we take I is equal to kV. But 1 upon k is equal to R. That is resistance of current. The ability to oppose the current, that is resistance. 1 upon k is equal to I. When we put this R value, we get VR. I is equal to VR. Current is equal to potential difference into resistance. Therefore, we got formula V is equal to IR. This is your final formula. Potential difference is equal to current into resistance. And symbol for this resistance is ohm. Symbol for this resistance is ohm. Here are some symbols given for the components of the electric circuit. First one, electric cell. We know that this cell which are used in our watch or any car or playing toys. Here symbol for this is two lines, one larger line having plus charge, smaller line having minus charge. Then battery. When we connect two or more batteries in a series, it is called battery. Then after key, this is plug key. Then after close plug key having one dot between them, connecting wire only having horizontal line. Then crossing wires, if we have two wires, it is connected as like this. Then light bulb, resistance and variable resistance. If variable resistance we are used in circuit, then we have to write this resistance symbol and arrow upon them. Then ammeter, positive negative charge and A, and voltmeter as like this. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like.